tutorial we will see how to import the table data from Microsoft SQL Server database table to an Excel file. For this here we have a table MSTBL country, and we have some data inside this table. Our goal is to import this data into an Excel file. At first create a new package and then rename the package like import table data into Excel. Now click on script task and drag it and drop it inside the package. Now double click here and then click edit script. Now just type a line of text just to confirm that the import process is going to start. So we'll use message box dot show method, and inside the show method just type about to import data into Excel file. And now click on close button and then click on OK. Now drag data flow task inside the package and then select on script task and choose the green arrow and then drag it into data flow task. Now go to data flow task. Here we need a source and a destination. Here the source is the SQL Server database table and the destination is the Excel file. So first create a source connection and a destination connection. So right click under the connection manager and click on new connection. At first we want to create the database source connection, so we'll use OLEDB connection manager and then click on add. Now click on new button and type the server name. For this case we have the server name me/MySQL server, and then put it under the server name and then choose the database. In this case we are interested to movies database, and check the connection. Yes, the connection is okay. Now click on OK button and then click on OK. Okay, so we are seeing that source database connection is created successfully. Now we need to create the Excel destination connection manager. So click on right click here and choose new connection, and now choose Excel and click on add. Now go to the location where you want to put the file. So click on browse. In this case we are interested to create an Excel file inside school tutorial club folder. So type the name of the file. For example, we are going to import the data TBL country, so we can name the table like country table, and then click on open, and at last click on OK button. So the Excel connection manager has been created successfully. Now our goal is to create the source. So here other sources you will find that OLEDB source. Now drag it and drop it inside the data flow task, and then we have a destination, and our destination is the Excel destination. So drag the Excel destination inside the package and now connect the OLEDB source to Excel destination. So select OLED source fast and click on green arrow and drag it and drop on the Excel destination, and you will see that the connection has been created successfully. Now you will see there is a red cross mark. What this means actually? This means that a connection manager has not been assigned to the OLED source. That means we actually didn't create the connection. So at first we have to double click here, and this is our connection manager, that is the source connection manager. Now we need to select the table which we want to import. So select here you will find a drop down menu like name of the table or the view. From here you will see that all the tables under the database, under the movies database, this is the movies database, and under movies database we have tables, and we are interested the country table. So select the country table and then click on columns. You will see there it shows all the columns. Here we are seeing the 2 columns, and if we go to the database we are also seeing that there are 2 columns. So for our case we selected all the columns and then click on OK button, and you will see the red cross mark button is already gone. Now we have to do the same thing for Excel destination. We have to define the Excel file here, and we have to map. Then so double click here, and you have to choose the name of the Excel sheet. In Excel there are several sheets. We must have to select a sheet. If you click the drop down menu, you will see that no tables or views could be loaded. That means we actually didn't create the file yet. So our goal is to create an Excel file, and inside the Excel file we have to create an Excel sheet. So to create the Excel sheet, just click on new, and you will see that the Excel file will be generated very shortly, and then click on OK, and now it will show you a message that please select the new Excel sheet from the drop down list box. Any white space in the Excel sheet name may have been replaced by underscore. Then simply click on OK button. Now click the drop down icon again, and you will see now the sheets are appeared here. Now choose the Excel destination and click on mapping. This is actually our source table, and this is our Excel table, and here we are seeing that there are 2 column names, and in the Excel file there are 2 column names, so the mapping is correct. If you need to change the mapping, you can choose the mapping here, but here we are not going to show the details how to change the mapping. We'll discuss this later. Now click on OK button, and then right click here, and you will see that there is an option like execute package. We have to click here to execute the package. So click here to execute the package. Let's see what happened. Yes, actually the program doesn't execute successfully. The reason is that package execution completed. Click so that to see the details why the package is not used successfully, we have to go to the progress option, and you will see there are some error messages which are marked like red color exclamation mark, and here you will see that explanation failed, validation return. There are 1 2 3 4 5, there are 5 messages. So here you will see that there is a message connection. The requested OLED provider Microsoft 4.0 is not registered. If the 64-bit driver is not installed, run the program 32-bit mode. So actually the reason the execution of this program failed because of the version problem. We are using 32-bit mode. We have to use 32-bit mode, and if we choose the 32-bit mode, then the error will be gone very shortly. So stop the package execution, just click the stop button and then go to the control flow and right click on the project and choose properties and click on debugging, and under debugging you will find run 64-bit runtime. Here you will see that there is a true value, make it false and then click on OK. Now try to execute it again. Yes, it shows the message that about to import data into Excel file. Then click on OK button and it is executing. Yes, package execution completed with success. Click here to switch design mode. So this message shows that we have successfully imported all the table data of country table into the Excel file which we mentioned earlier, that the file name is country. Now check whether it successfully imports all the table data from TBL country to TBL to country table. Just go to the file location, Excel file location, and then we are seeing that there is a file named country table has been created. Now double click to the country table file. Yes, and you will see that all the table value are there. So here there are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 values, and if we go to the database there is total 8 values. So in this way we can easily import a database table data into an Excel file.